Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Rockyford, a small and welcoming community located in the heart of Alberta's prairies. Situated in the county of Wheatland, Rockyford is surrounded by vast fields of grain and canola, which paint the landscape with vibrant colors throughout the seasons. The town is part of the larger Wheatland County region, known for its rich agricultural heritage and fertile soil. Rockyford was established in the early 20th century, with its name likely inspired by the rocky terrain and the nearby ford on the Rosebud River. The area's geography, characterized by gently rolling hills and fertile plains, has made it an ideal location for farming and ranching. The town's history is closely tied to the development of the Canadian Pacific Railway, which played a crucial role in the settlement and growth of many Alberta communities. Today, Rockyford remains a peaceful and picturesque place where residents enjoy a quiet, rural lifestyle. Whether you're passing through or staying a while, Rockyford offers a glimpse into the heart of Alberta's agricultural heritage and the simple yet fulfilling life of its residents. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Rockyford, Alberta. Thanks for watching!